Bonjour, c'est Claire à Clearly French. Today I want to talk to you about verbs of reversed construction. I know most students try to avoid them like the plague because they don't know how to use them, but they're not actually that difficult. Let me show you. First of all, I'm going to explain what those verbs are. They're a type of indirect object verbs where the person affected by the action is the indirect object. So it's either introduced by a or just a pronoun, an indirect pronoun. And the thing causing the action is the subject. It's actually the reverse of a normal sentence. The first verb we use all the time is plaire à, to please someone. Ça me plaît. You'll hear that a lot. And if you want to translate it literally, it pleases me, but actually it means I like it. You see how it's backwards in construction. So elle lui plaît would mean she pleases him, so he likes her. Ils ne nous plaisent pas. They don't please us, which means we don't like them. The next one is manquer à, to be missed by someone. Tu me manques, which is you are missed by me, therefore I miss you. Je te manque. This is the other way around. I am missed by you, therefore you miss me. Je lui manque. I am missed by him or by her. He or she misses me. Then we've got rester à, which is a bit unusual because it takes the impersonal il as the subject. To be left to. Il me reste 2 euros. 2 euros are left to me, which means I have 2 euros left. Il ne lui reste rien. Nothing is left to him or to her, as in he or she has nothing left. Il ne leur reste qu'une voiture. Only one car is left to them, as in they only have one car left. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a small tip by clicking on the Ko-fi link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.